Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Learning Hub. So in my previous video we have talked about what is a common table expression. Okay, so how we will use these common table expressions in the SQL statement. So now in this video we'll be talking about what is a window function and what are the types in it and how we will use CTEs to implement these window functions, okay, in the SQL. So without further ado, let's get started. But before diving deep into the concept, let us know what is the main purpose of window functions, guys. Okay, so the main purpose of these window functions is actually getting a combined result, like getting a grouped result along with each and every individual row. So this will happen in only window functions. If you use group by, you cannot be able to get each and every individual row because you will group. That means you will combine or collapse some of the rows. You will combine some of the rows and get only that result in the group by. See, for example, when I wanted to get the top 3% who are having the highest salary from each department, so this cannot be done by group by statements because we cannot be able to get the top three using group by. Let us understand the main difference between window functions and group by statements. So firstly, let's use group by statement, guys. Select department from employee sales, group by, and also the max salary, group by department. See, when you use this statement, you are actually getting only one row per department, guys. So this is the main difference. But when you use the same using window functions, so let me write the window function also. Okay, so firstly I need to for writing the window function, I will be using this common table expression. Okay, CTE T1 as select the name department. And now if I use dense rank function, partition by department, order by salary, descending from employee underscore sales as RN. Now select star from T1 where RN less than or equal to 3. See here, you are only getting the results only one row per department. You are not able to get every employee every employee details in first query. But when I use a window function, see, I'm able to get the top 3 persons who are having the highest salary in the department from each department. So it won't reduce the number of rows. It will get each and every individual row from the table. Okay, so the window functions will get each and every individual row even though there is a grouping related columns in the result. But the same you cannot be able to get in using group by statements in SQL. Okay, so that is the main difference between group by and window function, usage of a group by and usage of window functions. Okay, so now let's dive deep into the concept, guys. So let us know about the types of window functions. Okay, so let me minute. So there are actually four types of window functions. So the first one is ranking window functions, and the second one is analytical window function, and the third one is aggregate window function, and the fourth one is distribution window functions. So firstly, let's learn about what are the ranking window functions, guys. Okay, the main syntax of these window functions are window function, parenthesis, over, and in the over you will use partition by column 1, order by column 2. Either the order should be written in descending or ascending. It's the default one is ascending. If you don't mention anything, it will take in an ascending order. So if you wanted to give the ranking or something in the descending order, then you need to mention this descending as a DESE. Okay, so this is total a column. You can write this total window function as a column in SQL statements. Okay, so for example, in the ranking window functions, there are actually 4 functions. So the first one is a row number. So what this row number is, okay, see guys, let me show you practically. Okay, see, this is the result set with us. Okay, so there are departments and the salaries and the sales, the sales were made by these people. Okay, and the joining date of each people. So now what we will do is, you will rank the employees based upon their salaries. Okay, based upon the salaries and the department. Okay, so for that what we will do is, with rs as select emp name and department, and now you will write the window function. Okay, you will use the row number, row underscore number, over partition by department, order by salary DESC as RN from employee underscore sales. Now select star from RS where RN, firstly we will select all the rows. See, what it is doing is, it is getting employee name, department. Okay, employee name you got, department you got, and this is the window function. Row number is a window function. See guys, row number, what it will do is, row number based upon the partition column, it will actually assign unique number to each and every individual row. See, for example, I have divided the data based upon the department. So this is the part where you will divide the data based upon the column. So partition means dividing, partition by department. So based upon department, you are doing a partition, you are dividing, and within each department you are ordered by salary descending. So you are ordering the data, like ordering the data based upon the salary in a descending order. Okay, and this is alias for the column name. Okay, so this is the row number. Row number is actually used for assigning each and every individual rank, sorry, individual rank for each and every row based upon the partition. Okay, so based upon the partition, I have divided the data in a department wise, right? So department wise it will assign the row number, even though there is a same salary. So same salary, same everything, there is a same thing, it will assign two different ranks for every row. Okay, so that is the main purpose of row number. Row number is used for only assigning unique unique number to each and every individual row. So that's why row number is used. Okay, partition by department and order by salary descending order. So this is the main purpose of row number. So now the second function in the ranking window function is rank. So now let me do one thing with rs2 as. So here we will perform the query using rank. Okay, rank window function. The same query, just we are, see, 1 minute. The same query, copy, paste. Here we are using rank department partition by salary descending. Again, we'll make this select from rs2. So let me run the query. See here in the first query, that is using row number, for me, for each and every individual row from each department, partitioning the data in the department wise, it will assign unique number to every row. Even though the salary is same, it will assign unique number to every row from partitioning the department. But when you take here, what is this? Yeah, when you take here, see in the R2, see guys, for performing the rank function, so I will remove this partition because my rows are all like unique ones, unique data, unique salary. Okay, so they are having unique salary in every department. So in the rank function the same results will get if you like it will work as a row number if there is no duplicate data. Okay, so that's why I'm not partitioning anything, but I'm using order by salary. So if you run this query, you will be able to get based upon the salary. You will be able to actually order these employees based upon their salary and assign the ranks. Okay, unique rank even though there is a same salary. Okay, for example, see here the 62,000 Sai, a person named Sai is having a 62,000 salary. Wait, I will actually keep salary also so that you can track salary. 88, 82, 80, 79, 76, 72. See here in with the 72,000 there are three persons. Even though the salary is same, their rank is different, 13, 14, 15. So that is a row number. So it will assign unique rank. Even though the data is same, it will assign the unique rank. But when you implement the same with the rank function, rank over order by salary descending. If you implement this using rank function, these 72,000, 13, 14, 15 numbers are there now. So you will be able to get the different result in that 72,000. See here 72,000, the rank they have given is 13. The rank in the rank function it is given as 13, 13, 13. And here the rows are actually skipped. So this is what it means, gaps are allowed. Gaps are allowed in rank. That means if there is a gap between 13 and 14, like the same salary, right? So it will be assigning the same rank for the same salary, and from the next row it will assign the numbers, the rows that are skipped. Okay, so this is what the rank function will do. Even though the data is same, it will just assign the same rank, and afterwards it will skip the ranks with the number of rows. Okay, so here after 13 we need to get the 14, right? But 14 is not there because the gap is allowed in the rank function. The rank functions will not actually like will not assign the same will not uh, the rank function will actually skip the rows. Okay, so not this, the rank function will actually skip the ranks. So that is why it is there is gap is allowed in rank function. Okay, but in the row number you will be assigning, even though that the salary is same, you will be assigning the same row unique rank for each and every row. So this row number is actually based upon the rows, not on the data, until we give partition by. Okay, but in the rank function, you see, the rank was actually skipped. So first 10 ranks are good, but from the 11 one, 74,000, 74,000. See, 74,000, it is 11, given as 11. First 74,000 rank is given as 11, and the next one is also given as 11. So here we need to get the 12th rank, but we are using rank function, so that's why we got 11 as a rank, with the same salary. But from the next one, it is actually skipping the 12th rank, because after 11, here after 11 we need to get the 12. But why we got 12, we got 11? Because we are using rank function. So that's why it is given 11, and here 12 is skipped between 74,000 and 72,000. 12 is skipped, and 13 we got 13 because the number of rows here with the same data is 2. So that's why it has skipped 11 plus 2, 2 rows. It skipped there, the gap is allowed in the rank. That is what difference between row number and rank. Okay, so this will give unique same rank with the same salary, and gaps are allowed in rank. If you does not wanted the gaps, then you will use dense rank. Okay, so here I will keep 3 and 3 dense rank, order by salary. See here, the gaps are allowed in rank function, right? So if you query the same, so just remember 74,000, 74,000, 72,000. So in the rank function, you have got 11, 11, 13, 13. But in the dense rank, when you use the dense rank, you see what you will get. 74,000, 74,000, 72, 72. The same rank, but gaps are not allowed. So here 12 is there. But in the previous, when we use rank function, 12 is not there because gaps are allowed in rank. And row and dense rank, there are no gaps. So it will assign based upon the salary. Based up, it doesn't allow any gaps between the ranks. Okay, so after 11 we will get 12, after 12 13, 14, like that. So this is the main difference between these three ranking functions. So the first one is row number. Row number will assign even a unique rank for each and every individual row, and the rank function, it will assign the gaps are allowed, and it will also assign the rank. Okay, this is also serves as the same purpose, but there are gaps allowed in the rank. If the data is same, it will skip the number of rank. Okay, but when it comes to dense rank, it won't skip any rank. It will give the data as it is. Okay, so it will assign the ranks, even assign the same rank for the same data. Okay, for the same salary, it will assign the same rank, and it won't allow the skipping or gaps between the other ranks. Okay, so it will continuously assign the rank. Okay, there are no gaps or skippings between the ranks in that when you use a dense rank. So that is the main purpose of these three. That is the main difference between these three ranking functions. Okay, don't get confused, this is the main part. Okay, so now the fourth one is entile. Fourth is entile. So guys, now let's see what this entile function will do. Okay, so this entile is actually used for separation, segmenting the data, like that means dividing the data. Okay, so I will use the same query. Okay, same query, but this time I will use entile. entire of. So here we need to give one number. Okay, so based upon that number you will actually divide the data. So based upon so I will be I need the division. So I need the grouping of each department, and also while so for example, if I keep entile 3, so the whole data here I am not using any partition by, right? So that's why it will consider the whole table, and then it will divide the whole table based upon the salary into 3 divisions. See, for example, with the salary that is higher, the salary, the people who got highest salary will be given as 1. Okay, rank 1. So because I am using entile 3, that means the whole data will be segregated into separated into 3 divisions. See, so like when you wanted a customer segmentation, or in your company when you wanted to segment the customer based upon their purchasing, right? So you will use entile. So now if I keep partition by department, so you will separate the data based upon each department. So department wise you will get 3 divisions. Okay, entire 3 department wise you will get 3 divisions. For example, here in the finance department you got 10 rows. Okay, from the 10 rows you got 3 divisions. See, 3, 2, 2, 2, and 1. So when you are doing any financial related work, so you can consider these are the top salary personal in a company, and these are the medium range personals. These are the lower salary people. Okay, like that you can be able to do. Okay, so this is the main purpose of the ranking window functions. And in my next video you will be able to see analytical, what is the main purpose of analytical window functions. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. So if you like this video, then please do like and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. And that's it. Happy coding. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next video. Happy coding.